intermediate, guys. Sorry about the light, but we're busy doing a few little small rollers. We got some cool shots so far, but welcome back and check it out. It's looking quite exciting.